Hey, hello to everybody and welcome back to my proving grounds. Now, we're going to be doing another session of informal IT, but first, what I want to do is just cover a couple of things here. Let's see, put up the old template, and I am going to need the terminal. So I'm in my downloads folder here for a specific reason. I'm going to just open in terminal. You can open your terminal and just do cd slash whatever directory you want, in this case slash downloads, and you'll get the same result. Now that I got that out of the way, okay, what we're going to be doing is working on doing a file conversion. So let me just show you my notes as I go along here. We'll just drop it right in here. Boom. We're going to be converting mp4 files into mp3s in bash. Pretty straightforward. And yes, don't worry, I'll get rid of this junk in just a moment. As a matter of fact, here we go. Boom. As I said, we're going to be doing a file conversion. I don't really think it's an enterprise skill, but the tool that we're going to be using is called ffmpeg. And I got a couple good reasons for it. One, most Linux builds already have it available as a command line tool. You don't really need to actually download it or install it. Some builds you still do. Not all of them. A lot of people like it because it's got a lot of flexibility in its usage. It's pretty fast. If you know what you're coding for and you know what you're looking for, you know where everything is, it's pretty quick. Now, on the topic of efficiency, I consider it to be pretty fast and reliable. So those are my reasons. And taking that into consideration, uh, I did do a video earlier, and it's pretty cool. I just totally forgot to how should I say? I had my mic turned off. So it was kind of embarrassing because I went through most of it showing everybody what I'm doing. See, I got my code right here. I got my terminal right here. Got my files right there in my downloads folder as you saw a little bit earlier. And then I copy and pasted it from here to here. But nothing. You didn't really see what was going on, but eventually it worked. But you don't get any sound until you get to about here. And give it a moment right here.
Just let your love be on my knees, babe.
Now, if we want to do this, you can hear it, but you're not getting the video. Wait for it. Okay, now that I showed you that, you understand. I can't just put something out there like that, so I had to redo the video. But I don't want to just redo the video as I did here, so I'm showing you what I did. This is the before and after. You can actually see it does work. But we're going to actually use this code right here. This is the basic version, and that's what I used in order to make my conversion. But today, we are going to do things a little differently. We're going to use the other example. And for that, we're just going to type it in here, and I'll also point to what video I want to actually use. Come on, let's see. It's going to be, I apologize, my slow typing again, but it's going to be ffmpeg /I. And it's like not mmep, mpeg. This could be a dash I, and then we're going to put in the name of the video. Now the video name has to be in a string. That's the way it works. So we're just going to do like this. I'm going to get the title of the video, and I will put it in quotes here. Not colon, we're going to do quotes. And that's not going to work. So I guess I actually have to type this in here. Really? Let's try it again. And we'll close those quotes. .mpeg. Nope, not .mp4 actually. And from there, we are going to type up the rest of this. So it's going to be space. Come on. Whoops. Close that up. We're not done yet. Space dash vn space dash ab, and then this 192K. I keep thinking about the old 52K modems back in the day. It might not be the same kind of setup. It could just be the compression rate. And I am just going to put in, I'm going to leave output as the title because it'll be easier to find it that way. Let's see here, output. I remember to put the put there because, you know, sometimes you get a little bit of a brain fart. But here we go. This should be it. And you see, it's still going down here. It's going. Speed 24.7.6. There you go. It's done. So, if I actually bring you my download folder again, you'll see that this is my video. This is the one I'm using. Come on.
House went quiet after.
Okay, that sounds nice, right? Now, let's listen to the output.
House went quiet after the truth.
Alright, that was pretty much it. That's all I really wanted to show you is how to do a quick conversion, how to do it in Bash, and the tool that I used for it. There are others out there. I don't really feel like looking for something new when I actually have something that's pretty stable and has a track record that works. Hopefully you find this useful. Have fun out there, everybody. Good night.